Can you hear me? Can you hear me now? Now I'm broken when you're not around.
Thank you for watching. This is a strip and wax of VCT tile of 700 square feet.
Can you hear me now? Now.
Before we start machine scrubbing or machine stripping, we'll let the stripper solution sit for about 15 minutes.
I'm feeling high when I'm low. I need it more when you're close to me, 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 close to me.
As we machine scrub or machine strip, we try to be very careful and get all the edges and to blend in the center. Once we finish machine scrubbing, then we pick up the slurry.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me now? Now I'm broken when you're not around. Unspoken words I'm screaming out. Can you hear me? Can you hear me now?
That's what it looks like after it's been stripped.
After the floor begins to dry, then we begin the floor finish part. We begin outlining the floor with the floor finish before we start in the center.
Close to me, close to me, close to me, close to me.
Don't tell nobody. That's Vaseline lotion. Don't tell nobody, it's actually Vaseline lotion. Critical care lotion. With a little bit of baby oil in it. It'll be our secret. Can you hear me? Can you hear me now? Now. Thank you for watching. Also, if you're in the Atlanta, Georgia area or in the Nashville, Tennessee area, and you are in need of commercial janitorial or commercial floor care, please don't hesitate to call. Also, look out for our podcast, Clean Freaks Podcast. Thank you.
I'm feeling high when I'm low. I need it more when you're close to me, close to me, close to me, close to me, close to me.